All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with break 651. Yeah, fellas, I won what do you say? A hobby box on your national giveaway and just trying to give you a little support. Aw, dude, you're the best, man. Thanks, Dan.
Thanks, Dan. Appreciate
We
it.
appreciate you, dude. All right, let's go. We're starting off with break 651, 3 boxes of Merlin. But before I do, a little disclaimer a la eBay. No purchase or payment is necessary to enter or win. Reference the sweepstakes link that includes the rules and regulations in our listings. All right, 3 boxes of Merlin. Let's go. That was good. Oh, I'm getting better.
You get better, you're going to remember it.
I'm going to remember it pretty soon. I might even add some stuff to it.
You're going to do
Like,
you're gonna be like that.
I want to do the fast one. You know, people do it really, really fast.
Commercial?
Yes. Like, breaking ones may cause hives and we do like disclaimer for like medicine.
Yeah.
You may experience diarrhea, high fever, high blood pressure due to excitement.
Definitely high blood pressure.
Yeah, high blood pressure due to excitement. Anxiety levels have been known to rise, as well as disappointment. Serotonin levels. Yeah, we got to get a good one. You don't do disclaimers, Tyler? How's that possible?
Breaking the rules, man. We're gonna report you.
You talk about it. If you break on eBay, you're supposed to do one.
Yeah, man.
Or do you have someone do it for you?
Currently, your boss.
No. Maybe he has one. Maybe he's got like a taped version of it. We're gonna play this little video, little safety video before we start. Well, it says we're supposed to read it, but whatever. What do I care? Just a little. It's my warm up.
He breaks on the eBay Live app.
Alex C's in the house. Let's go, Messi and Haaland. All right, there we go. Thanks for the support, Alex. We appreciate you, man. Baseball breaks are and baseball and no more soccer. Right? It's just baseball and basketball left, right? No more soccer. This is the only soccer break tonight.
Finest. We got finest.
Oh, finest. I'm sorry, man. Finest. But that's still ending at the later on. So if you want finest soccer, as well as some baseball and basketball, those are still ending. So here we go. Mubama. Junior. Message. Antoine Griezmann. This is the soccer balls. Insert. Van Dijk. How about a nice rookie refractor of Marcus Edwards for Sporting Club de Portugal. Now, when you go from baseball to basketball to soccer, my head's like, what are you doing, bro?
It's spinning.
You're fucking with me right now. Elise Ben Seguir, Monaco, rookie. How about a Dembele out of 299 red shimmer, shimmer, 19 of 299 for FC Barcelona. Ousmane Dembele. Shimmy. Asado rookie for Barcelona. Yuri Boss for Ajax rookie. And a Ageless Academy of Marcel Desailly. And why Tops or Panini? And got a refracting Van Dijk. Or as people like to say, Van Dyke. They like to correct me. It's Van Dyke. Ali Cho, rookie. Matthew O'Reilly, rookie. And an under 21, Minu for the United. All right. We got Bakayoko. Merlin in for Merlin. God, so good. Cole Palmer, under 21. Adingra. A Antonio Silva for Benfica. This is a refractor rookie. Mario Gila, rookie. A Isaac Bergman Johansson. And how about a orange Anthony for United? 19 of 25 orange refractor. Very nice. What do you got in this, Alex? Alex T, that is. Tyler's looking for Josko or Susic. Pajoli rookie. Gabriel Jesus. Refractor, but Nicola Barea, rookie. I'm not a rookie, I'm Jesus. Refractor. Not rookie. Rookie's rookie. Refractor's refractor. How about a Luka Modric? Merlin Masters. Real Madrid. Luka Modric. Do it. Rookie. All right. Benfica, Celtic, Copenhagen, and Monaco. Nice. Take him off screen, LOL. Some bad charges on Anthony at the moment. Oh, for real? Like we're talking Van der Franco stuff, or did he get Francoed? Mohamed Abu Fani, rookie. Little fucking fun then. How about for AC Milan out of 99 green mojo of Tommaso Pobega? He's worse.
I think this.
Anthony?
Yeah.
What, did he murder someone?
No. He was talking about it.
All right, we don't want to talk about it.
I think.
Let's not talk about it.
Let's not talk.
Zalewski, rookie. Nicholas Raskin, rookie. That's a refractor. Let's not talk about it. Kamari, rookie. Oh. Rookie. Gabriel Martinelli, Merlin Masters. Got you for a second, don't lie. Pablo Barrios. And what do we got here?
What?
Zidane Auto. That's a good one, isn't it? Zinedine Zidane. Abusive Franco. Oh, shit. Ageless Alchemy. Zinedine Zidane. ZZ. Huge. Huge. 40 out of 100, by the way. For Juventus. Whoever has Juventus, congratulations. Fatau, rookie. Nusa, rookie. How about a Luka Susic? Didn't say you wanted a Susic? There's a Susic refractor for you. Akliuche for Monaco, rookie, and a Moretti, Juventus under 21. All right, that's only box one, ladies and gentlemen. That's pretty good. So we're not gonna put Anthony up, but we got to put up Mr. ZZ. Let's put ZZ top up. ZZ. Box two. Did Ark watch Princess Bride? Alex Tracy has that.
I did not.
Alex, we just talked about we have to do like a movie night. He hasn't seen Godfather yet, Alex. So, you know, we got a long way to go with this kid. But we do need to have him watch Princess Bride. And we also realize he needs to watch Pulp Fiction. He hasn't even... Tyler said Ark is the Princess Bride. So we got to watch.
Too much.
He goes, what? Godfather? Has he seen any movies? Yeah, like... he just told me today he saw Naked Gun, you know, the classic. You can't not see that.
Weekend at Bernie's. That's what.
Oh, Weekend at Bernie's. There you go. I am a godfather to Art's daughter. I've been bestowed the honor.
Oh man, that's hilarious.
Yeah, he has not watched anything decent. But we gotta watch Pulp Fiction. We gotta watch Godfather, obviously. We have to watch Princess Bride. There's a lot. There's a lot of work ahead of me. Just one of the many. Yeah. Just one of the many. Yeah, Tyler. They were sort of like, oh, yeah, that's right. That guy exists. Let's see if we can name him a Godfather once. Yeah, just one. Don't worry. If something happened to Ark, I'm taking them all. Tyler's like, only one? Out of all the army of kids? It was an auction, bro. I had to... I got sniped at the end. On the twins. Somebody sniped me. They got a twofer. It was a BOGO. It was a BOGO Godfather situation. Enough. Ekatikai. Vinny Jr., Merlin Masters. Oh, what is this? Oh man. You guys fucked it all up for me now. The fucking abusive sorcerer. 50 of 50. Anthony. I mean, come on. You guys fucked it up. You didn't have to say anything. Yes, that's true, Tyler. But, well, it's still a nice card. 50 out of 50. Gold. Anthony Sorcerer. The real question Tyler should have said, is Jenny still alive? That's what you should have been asking. Guendouzi Refractor. I mean, what are the odds? Seriously, though. Cabore. Tell, under 21. Tell nobody. Do a rookie. How about a Pink Mojo out of 275? Saka. Saka it to me, baby. Arsenal. Pink Mojo. 260 out of 275. Seen that movie, haven't you?
What? No.
No?
What is it?
Alex, what's the movie? Suck it to me, baby. I can't think of his name now. From Wayne's World guy, but it's International Man of Mystery. God. Ticketalari, Refractor.
Nothing, man. I'm sorry.
I got Nucky. Bakoyako. Sila. There's a Haaland. And a Robert Lewandowski. Merlin Master. Yes, Austin Powers. Thanks, Alex. Jesus,
yeah.
I don't know.
I've seen Austin
You've seen
Powers.
those.
Yeah.
A lot of Matthew O'Reilly, rookie. I like gold. And we got ZZ again. ZZ Refractor insert. Ageless. How about a refractor of our now Calamuendo rookie? To look up what Anthony did. Martin Nido. A Garnacho, Alejandro Garnacho, the Matador, under 21. That's your nickname. If it isn't, I'm giving him his nickname. Franci Pirro, rookie. Ooh, a Green Jesus, 38 out of 99. You guys think it's any coincidence that it's all red, white, and green? Very Christmassy for Jesus. Gabriel Jesus. 38 and 99. Come Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Is Sahaku Fatau rookie. Samuel Elling Jr. rookie. Osama El Azuzi rookie. And a refractor of Valentin Carboni. Green Jesus. This turtle. Alessandro Bianco.
Always encourages me.
Nicolo Fagioli. You get this one, this reference? It means nothing to the Jesus. It don't mean nothing. I put that gun up your ass and pull it till the trigger goes click.
I don't know.
Marcasado. I just watched it yesterday or today. I can't remember. Bruno Fernandez out of 199. Doesn't look like it, but it's colored. It's a look like a teal, very light teal. 84 of 199. Bruno Fernandez for United. Another movie that you probably haven't seen. Have you seen The Big Lebowski?
Yeah, it's like played in the background a few times.
Oh, but you never watched it.
Never like said that.
Fury. The Big Lebowski. Had the room in together, man. How about a carpet? Kamari rookie. Adingra rookie. It's a great movie. Classic. Don't have enough time in our life, to be honest. Kobe Mainu, United. Yeah, there's a lot of United, for sure. Refractor. Luka Modric. Nusa. Ben Sagir. Under 21. Desire. Mario Gila. Van Dyck. Delari, and the baseball, the soccer ball one. Lucas Gorna-Duat for FC Salzburg, rookie. Got the nice, cool looking balls. These are not numbered, I don't think. Got a rookie of Savio, Bass, and Takumi Minamino refractor. All right, let's. Great hit so far. The Murray's in the house. What's up, Murray? Happy to hear. What teams you got, Murray? Or clubs? I'm sorry, clubs. Poor guy's gonna say, "Yeah, I've got Anthony." Nobody's gonna take any credit from Anthony. Williams in the house. What's up, William? Thank you guys so much for your support, for breaking with us. The other baseball is still,
That's all done.
it's all done?
Yeah, basketball just started, you guys, and obviously we'll have UEFA as the last auction, but we do have a couple breaks on our website. 2-box baseball break for Bowman Chrome, and the second half of the UEFA Finest, second half of the case. So you guys sell that out, we can do the full case between the 2 breaks tonight.
Oh, so go to eBay, go to our website, get your last spots. I'm going to do things different. I'm just going to do one big fat stack right now. Change it up. I'm going to change it up. Did you know where you're coming from? Come on. Let's get like some amazing 1-of-1 super fractor or whatever they're called in this product. No more sorcery. What's with the zzzzzzzzzzzings?
A lot of the
A lot of ZZZZZZZ. ZZZZZZZ. Here we go. Zalewski, rookie. Ooh, nice blue shimmer out of 75. 17 of 75 for Club Brugge. Abakar Silla. Sila, not sure. Very nice. Very, very nice. Kamari rookie. Oh. Lucas Gorna-Duat, refractor rookie for Salzburg. Barrios rookie. Really?
bad night for
Merlin's masturbator, ain't me? I'm just making shit up. I don't even know what he's accused for. Isaac Bourbon Johansson, rookie. Under 21, Luka Susic. There you go. Luka Susic for you. Under 21, just like you like him, Tyler. Susic. Fagioli rookie. What's this called again? Just soccer ball?
Yeah.
Really? Just soccer ball?
Pretty sure.
Kulusevski's balls. Kulusevski's balls. Tottenham. Tottenham. Alejandro Garnacho refractor for United. More United. Do it. Rookie. Ooh. Karim Adeyemi for BVB. That's going to be a, what is this, like rose gold or some shit? Out of 299. 237 to 299. Rose gold shimmer? Let's say rose gold shimmer.
It is.
Whoa!
It's good.
Damn good.
Impressive.
Bakayoko, it should be. Adingra. Zidane again. Merlin. How about a Akluche? Magnus Akliuche refractor from Monaco. There you go, Monaco. Mubama, rookie. Samuel Illing Jr. Neymar. And under 21, Silva, rookie for Benfica. Your girl looked at me. Girl, I got one word for you. Run! Mario Gila to the bathroom and check out his medicine cabinet. That's how you know if you should run. See what's in there. See a Briva? Run. Kamavinga, silver, or sorry, refractor. Fatawu, rookie. Musa, rookie. No, he's great peeps. You can't run in shackles anyway, so what am I talking about? Akliuiche, rookie. Terrible. Yuri, rookie. Terrible. Hey, how about a Speckle Neymar? Neymar Speckle for PSG out of 150. 11 out of 150. Just one off his jersey number. 11 of 150 Neymar. PSG. She said, damn. Mudrick rookie. How about a refractor Gavi? Is this guy still good? Gavi, everybody was chasing him for a while. Modric. Silva. Barboni rookie. Try not to show the auto. Mohamed Salah. Master. Savio rookie for PSV Eindhoven. Well, it's not Anthony at least. For Liverpool, Thiago Alcantara, refractor auto for Liverpool. Thiago Alcantara. Arda. Jason, this is Arda Güler. Well, that's not who I just pulled. Alessandro Bianco, rookie. Phil fucking Foden. Pablo Torre, refractor. Mohamed Abu Fani. Under 21, Alex Lowry, rookie. And we'll be doing that. Recap time. So we have looks like a red. So let's see something. Out of 299, this out of 99, but they're not the same. So I'm guessing maybe they are the same. Two rose golds, never mind. Rose gold, Dembele, shimmer out of 299. Rose gold, Adeyemi, rose out of 299. A beautiful, no named orange refractor out of 25. Green Mojo, Pobiga out of 99 for Milan. A pink Mojo of Saka out of 275. A green Christmas Jesus out of 99 for Arsenal. A Fernandez out of 199. Aqua refractor. A blue shimmer of Sila for Brugge out of 75. Our autos. You're happy? Good. And Anthony Sorcerer 50 out of 50. We have this Alcantara for Liverpool, refractor auto. And this Ageless Alchemy ZZ Zidane, 40 out of 100. Congratulations to Juventus. All right. We'll be back in a few minutes with break 652. 652.
Thanks, everyone.